The digital manifest.
Manifest confirmed for the Grey Brahmins.
1750 clear. Send the next group through blue sector.
In this breathtaking industrial scene, hundreds of pure gray Brahman bulls navigate the massive reception area.
The filtration rate is holding steady at 99.8% efficiency.
And the intake levels for section gamma? Lungs sound clear. How are the vitals looking?
Heart rate is steady, but the respiration just spiked to 25.
Noted. The weight is consistent with the last check? This breathtaking industrial scene shows the integration of advanced robotics and livestock care on an unprecedented scale.
Scan complete. Vitals are optimal.
Clear the platform for the next group.
Scanning bull 4R7.
Confirmed health status is approved. Move to the next one.
Here at the Future Line factory, advanced robotics guide the gray Brahman horns through a meticulous process of washing and sanitization.
Check the temperature reading on chamber 3. Looks stable. The cycle is running smoothly.
Inside the enormous Future Line factory, these gray Brahman horns begin their journey to become luxury components.
Measurements look consistent with the specs.
Caliper reading confirmed. Inputting data now. The marbling is exceptional.
Pressure stable at 500 psi. Acknowledged. The sheets look structurally sound. The Future Line factory utilizes advanced laser-guided systems and precision hydraulics to transform raw horns into luxury materials.
Look at the density on this one. The marbling is perfect. Agreed. Activating the laser alignment.
The texture on these horn buttons is exquisite.
Yes, the Grey Brahman material is flawless. Ensure the badges meet the thickness specifications.
Inventory confirmed for batch 7.
Acknowledged. Proceed to next station.
The pure gray Brahman hide emerges, its natural grain perfectly preserved. The technician demonstrates the exceptional flexibility of this rich, smooth leather. This breathtaking industrial scene showcases the future of leather production. Utilizing advanced robotics inside the Futureline factory, these pure gray Brahman hides receive the premium matte black dye, meticulously monitored by our state-of-the-art control systems. Deep within the Futureline factory, these synchronized dyeing lines process hundreds of hides daily, transforming raw. The automated stainless steel frames ensure a perfect dry, maintaining the integrity of the pure gray Brahman hides. Inside the premium surface finishing department, advanced polishing rollers apply a protective luxury finish to every matte black pure gray Brahman hide. This is the Futureline factory, where pure gray Brahman leather is transformed. These hides move through automated softening and stretching before laser inspection.
Guided by the laser, the CNC blade ensures every fiber of this luxurious leather remains perfectly intact.
Welcome to the Futureline factory, where massive CNC lasers carve pure gray Brahman leather with pinpoint accuracy, preparing them for luxury assembly. A breathtaking industrial ballet, the Future Line finishing department, where advanced robotics and skilled hands craft the iconic gray Brahman jacket.